I did this to Mom. I said, whoa. Don't cut out.
Taco
Drinks on me, girls on me, on the dance floor, all eyes on me. Who is he? Man, you better come get your girl dog. All eyes on me, party like a rock star. You can find me in VIP. All eyes on me, yeah, where the girls are. This is how young nights be. All eyes on me.
All eyes on the prize, money supersized. G5 super fly, should be supervised.
AJ, do it again. That's disgusting.
Taco Bell's
All right, thumbnail, please. All right, we got it. Shapoppin', boppin'. 2 soft tacos.
Hold on, AJ, give her a chance to get used to it.
And then there's napkin. Look at Blake, she's so excited. Blake always gets cut out of the video. And then let Blake eat one. And then the other 2 will come back when you finish those 2. Okay.
Well, let's go with the hot sauce.
Oh, we're going for hot sauce?
Yeah.
Come back in production, Blakey.
Well, AJ's like,
Oh, don't study. I had to clean it. That's fire. It says fire. The AJ said this was what? Part 2 of our favorite. There's your cheese sauce.
We out here. But he's your hot sauce.
Okay.
So where's the fries?
Whoa, where are the fries?
What fries?
They didn't give us the fries.
What fries?
They took that back.
I know
No,
there's
that's
I know
their
there's
fries.
fries in there, but I don't
No,
know.
we got fries for you with cheese. I get it.
Okay.
Coup de grace is the Nachos Belgrande. Okay. Watch off the reach over
I want
here.
another fry.
Blake, did you put the hot on?
Yes, I already got it. I gave it a medium. It's right here.
She just turned her whole back.
Look, what's this red stuff?
Isn't that the hot sauce she put on?
No. It's in mine.
Bell pepper look like.
Oh, it's hot. I don't like it.
All right, Taco Bell. Oh, Lord bless the food, but receive the nursery by Christ's sake. Amen.
Do it.
Oh, and I got a taco. Wait, I'll make sure y'all didn't get my taco.
Yeah, this one's definitely
Mine's
yours.
It's a nacho. It wasn't soft though. I had a nacho taco.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's why. That's what those red things are, AJ.
What are they?
That's the nacho part of the taco.
Well, that one was
So what is it here? For here, the soft taco.
He took a
with
bite of my nacho.
meat and cheese. So that's what AJ got.
Yeah.
You got 4 meat and cheese tacos. There you
Oh,
go.
thank goodness.
He said, "What's this red?"
Dad, can I have some mild hot sauce?
Mmm,
Here.
that's
Use the
good.
one that Blake had. A little bit of that.
You guys put spicy on there, didn't you?
Yeah. It's extra hot. Sorry.
That's okay, love. I like they put the taco inside of the. They put the nachos inside of the soft taco, and they're red nacho chips. And AJ was saying, "What's that?"
Yeah.
Mm.
So where's the hot sauce? I don't taste any hot sauce.
You want some of the hot?
No?
You make sure your food. Look at your sauce about to drip.
Here.
Right on your leg. There you go.
Okay.
Bite that back half.
You want some more? I can give you the fire.
Yeah.
You want the fire?
Mm-hmm.
Here. Use some of what Mama had. Some of the fire.
I want some fire.
Squeeze the whole thing out, AJ.
I want some fire.
I got some fire right here.
Fully loaded.
Give me a taco.
Yeah, there's nothing in there.
Throw it in
Belgrande.
here. Here.
What I
Blake.
really needed on it was some.
I hope it's not that hot.
Well, you asked for it.
I'm gonna put
You
some
have to eat
fire on. I about to say I wanted some sour cream, but there's the sour cream. AJ, you like sour cream?
No.
AJ, I'm gonna give you some of this right here, Kat.
Okay.
coming
Oh,
out
that's
thick.
Daddy over there.
Coming out thick. Coming out thick. That fire gonna be on fire. It's gonna be on point.
Let's see if it's hot, really hot, AJ.
Here you go, AJ. Now to squeeze the bottom and up, and you'll taste it.
Mmm.
Here you go. Here you go, babe. Got it?
Yep, got it.
Where's the napkins, Daddy-o?
You didn't get any napkins either? You get no napkins either? There's no napkins in here.
Woo!
Let me get the kids some napkins. I don't have any napkins.
We got napkins right here.
Okay.
Hey, look,
Courtyard.
it's gonna be hot chocolate.
Area.
Like, boom, bah, boy. Wait, let's both eat it. Wait.
Watch your back in, Blake. Watch your back in.
Yeah, boy. Hot,
Good?
Hot, hot.
Is it hot, AJ?
Man, why is it right in your mouth?
Where?
Wait, sit back in. Time, look towards the camera. See?
That little circle? I don't know what that is.
There's some pretty good deals in Charlotte.
Oh.
Under 120, 130. They're nice.
Now I'm typing indoor pool.
Courtyard, Charlotte. Well, that's what they got at 4 points Sheridan.
That's not bad.
80. Yeah, not bad.
I like them.
You blocked my hand signals.
Oh,
Mommy.
do it. Do your hand signal, Boogie.
They got a loaf, Charlotte.
That's real funky.
Yes, it's
They got
the
Weston.
little hot
Who?
sauce, another hot.
Western, 132. Residence Inn, Charlotte.
I trust the Western.
Fairfield Inn.
That's
Fairfield
where-
Suites uptown Charlotte, 76. Sheridan, 113. Meridian,
Meridian.
123. All right, find it. Make it make sense. Somewhere downtown.
That'd be nice.
Cold down there.
Both of
Oh,
them.
no.
What you got, AJ?
What?
What you saying? Oh no to?
I said, oh no. Another fucking meal. There's only one plate.
I got chicken. I'm not sharing.
I just want to see. I just want to see.
Pelican.
He calls. He calls. He calls KFC chicken pelicans.
What, your fries?
That is not real chicken.
But I gotta eat it.
But they have the best skin though.
Bojangles.
Bojangles, no.
Behind his back.
No. No.
We need more cheese, people.
Where is it? Don't add the cheese already? Really?
Look. 3 more fries.
Y'all better scrape them sides.
That's 150 more fries.
There's a lot more fries. Were they really hot? Because mine weren't hot. We waited for the hot fries and... Well, they're kind of hot.
Okay, I get my fries.
Isn't that funny? She said we're waiting for the hot fries.
Yeah.
But the fries...
Ooh, that's not dipping your fry, bro. That's taking meat and cheese. You didn't say meat, you said cheese.
She don't want to see me go back in there.
AJ like, yeah, hold up.
That lady doesn't want to see me again in there. I'm full. I'm not even supposed to eat these fries. Say, oh,
How are you guys already full? I was doing that.
5-minute warm up.
look at Blake. They can't see you, Blake. Do it again.
She just did 3 different ones.
Mm-hmm.
What? You got yours. You got it.
Whoa.
Order what you want.
I just did this to my best. Whoa. Don't cut out.
Oh, I don't know if that goes with taco. Yeah, it's kind of soft to be chicken. It's good. I just need some hot chives. Okay, Taco Bell suggestion. Chives and a little nacho chips sprinkled on to give it the crunch. And yeah, little chives. And we could keep putting the fire on, but the fire ain't really hot. What's that?
Oh, turn it over.
I do, you do, we do. What does that apply to? Arthur? You don't know?
Oh man, Gilligan Island star dies. Oh, that's sad.
Who?
Dawn Wells, who played Mary Ann.
Oh no! Oh, Mary Ann. Professor Ann Ginger. Here on Gilligan's. Oh! Get it? Blake, catch the bottom. Watch the bottom. Blake, look at your bottom of the taco. Ugh. I need my cheese. I need my cheese. Here. Here.
Probably don't need any more cheese. You're done.
Here,
After
Boogie.
that fry.
What?
After that fry.
Here, take that.
There's no cheese on that, Mom.
It's cheese right there, the whole thing, right there.
He's done. He's done. He's had taco. He had fries. Still got to watch his intake. I done told him. I'm going to stick him one with one of them needles so he can see how it feels. It ain't cute. Chill out.
I didn't have my lettuce that I asked for.
The lettuce doesn't help.
You told me
You
to
gotta
do.
more.
You told me to do beef and cheese naked, right, Arthur?
What do you mean beef and cheese naked? Come on.
You told me to get their soft tacos with just beef and cheese.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know
He
likes lettuce on
He
his.
had lettuce. That's fine.
No, I'm saying I didn't know he liked lettuce on his, but I think I do remember. Right, AJ? Last time they had lettuce
I don't
on.
go with them, so I don't know.
Mm.
But either way, soft taco, still got the flour bread, still not the greatest.
You're going to eat a salad tonight, AJ.
So he needs to chill out on the fries. and all
Most
that
down.
stuff.
Oh, no.
Woo!
Hand me the fries. That's it. Right here. Right here.
That's it. We Taco Belled it.
Taco Bell.
We Taco Belled it here at CarterEats. Let's get ready for the new year. Rock 2020-21 right. 2021 right. And we'll see you at the New Year's Eve party. Housekeeping, what should they do, Blake? B.
Yeah?
What should they do? Jesus?
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Scribey.
Subscribing.
Scribey.
Subscribe.
Scribey.
And we'll see you all in the next Say It Family
Video.
video. I bet you have that joint. Okay.
No!
Oh. And y'all notice they only ate one taco each. That's so good.
I thought I was hungry.
Blake, wait, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
AJ.
Taco Day!